Hey guys, welcome to Epic Coding for Everyone channel. What will you learn from this video? ScrollSpy. Let's start coding. For this example, I have changed our CDN scripts. You can download from resources. In our previous tutorial, we were using Bootstrap CDN bundle, but in this example, we will separate them. We use Popper.js and we use Bootstrap.js. Let's create our nav tag first. Let me add classes for nav tag, navbar, navbar light, bg light, and some padding px3. And I want to add ID as well. You can assign any name you want. I am going to say navbar. We will use that ID in our code. I'll show it to you in a couple of minutes. Let's create a tag and our class name is navbar brand. Navbar. And let's create our UL with class name now. I want to add another class name now pills. Now we need to create now items. Li now item, and we need to create now link, and we need to put a target name here. I'm going to say home, and we can say that one home. Let me copy and paste a couple of more. About, services, and contact. Let's change those are as well. About, services, and contact. Now I need to create a div. I need to assign ID first. As you remember, we use a ID name here, navbar. We need to use same one. And let's add some other tags which are related to ScrollSpy. Database spy, scroll, and database offset. Zero and tab index 0. Let me get them down to see all tags. And we need to add some paragraph tags. Let's add a title and then paragraph tags. H4, let's say home, and ID home. I'm going to use those IDs, so I need to use the same name. Let me add a paragraph tag. Let's say Lorem 500. Let me copy that one and paste for rest of them. About, services, and contact. And I want to add a style for our div. Style maximum height 900 pixels and overflow auto. And we don't need to use that BS, we just need to use data spy. Let's save it and have a look at it. Let's scroll down. You see guys, hover effect is showing itself. We will use sort of example in our future projects. That's all for now. Thank you so much for watching it. See you in the next video.